Welcome back to Samoyed Studios. Today we'll be creating a holiday pop-up card that's perfect for beginners. To get started, you're going to need 2 different colored pieces of paper, and then you're going to fold it hamburger style. On the innermost paper, you will cut slits to create the structure that will hold up your pop-up image. For myself, I wanted 3, so I cut 3 pairs of slits. However, you can change up the number of pairs based on what you want to create. For an extra creative touch, I cut a wave pattern on the non-folded edge of the paper. The next step is to apply glue to the cut paper, therefore you could attach it to the non-cut paper. It is important that you do not apply glue to the structure that will act as a pop-up, therefore I inserted a pencil into the slit so you could see it better. Now for the decorations. I wanted to create a symmetrical design, therefore I folded the construction paper in half and sketched my design first. When I was happy with the design, I cut it using scissors. I thought the trees were a bit plain, so I used markers to add decorations to the tree. Using brown construction paper, I created a tree stump and attached it to the tree. Then it was time for the best step of all, which is creating the main character of this card, which is Elsa the Samoyed. I created a rough outline of Elsa and then I cut it using the sketch. Using markers, I added her features, such as her cute little ears, eyes, and nose. Finally, it is time to attach the images to the pop-up structure, so add a little bit of glue and put it on the bottom part of that structure. When you're done, don't forget to write your heartfelt message. Thank you for watching Samoyed Studios, and Elsa and I cannot wait for you to join us on our next video. Happy holidays!